cold here in the workshop this morning. I just fired up the wood stove and it's about 40 degrees F in here. I had this set up and I wanted to just talk to you about matching up the length of your reflector to your collector. When you're using copper uninsulated pipe, it's relatively easy because you can buy 10-foot lengths. But when you're dealing with a, what is this called, 181 centimeter evacuated tube, you can see that it doesn't quite match up to, well, to the length obviously, and even if I was just to truncate the reflector, just to cut it off about here, it wouldn't, I'd have the ends sticking out and I wouldn't be making full use of the tube. So when you have a situation like this, I mean, you're going to look around for the tubes and you'll be basically lucky and glad to get what you can get unless you can import a caseload or more. So we have to match the reflector up to the tube. So what I'm probably going to do here is make the reflector plus or minus 180 centimeters long and position another rib here and then space the other ones out. Now my choice here, you can see I have 5 filling that space now. If I used the same 5, they would actually get further apart. And I think my preference is to add another rib and bring them closer together. So they're going to be 6 ribs over 6 feet, so they're going to be about a foot apart. That's pretty easy arithmetic. Okay, here I'm going to use the same approach. Here I have a 24-inch reflector with 3 ribs. They're 12 inches apart, and I want to match it up to this evacuated tube, which as you can see doesn't quite reach. It's not 24 inches long, so I want to shorten the lengths of the side channels and adjust it slightly so that I have a better fit of the evacuated tube. Again, this is one I can get. This was commercially available, and I have to match it up to probably a 16 or an 18-inch reflector sheet size and put the ribs closer together. Okay, so I'm going to take this 8-footer apart. I just wanted to show you this while I had it set up and go through some of the thinking. Thanks for watching.